Guys, it's time to talk about Jupiter on the channel. Now, I think we talked about this not too long ago, but yeah, I think Jupiter is looking quite good here. Now, you can see that this is the daily candle, and we are starting to break above this weekly resistance here at about $1.20. Now, you can see we have almost moved up to this daily resistance here at about $1.29. I do believe once we break $1.29, this is going to get bullish real quick. It's already bullish, guys. I can say that this, looks very good now because we are taking out a lot of the range that we've been in for a very long time. But yeah, this is, going to get mega bullish above $1.29. There's very little up here of volume, I believe. So yeah, let's just, we have to wait and see. And yeah, I mean, we did back test this support here at about 83 cents in the beginning of November. And yeah, I mean, we've gotten a mega bounce since then. I mean, we've broken through 1, 2, 3, 4 resistances so far. Now, this resistance still has, well, it has, I don't know, about 8 hours before it closes. So let's see if we can close above $1.20. That would be really good. But better would be above about $1.29. Now, if we take a look at Jupiter here on Tokenomics, all we have to do is type in JUP, and we do get Jupiter here. So let's see what it brings up. Now, the next unlock for this, it actually doesn't really say. So I'm a little curious. Only 14% of this has been unlocked. So yeah, I mean, you can see that right here, yeah, 14% has been unlocked. I don't know where that went, but okay, I have to click this. So 14%, yeah. Now, it doesn't say, let's see, 31, yeah. I mean, it just doesn't say when. There's, no unlock events yet. So I'm a little curious when the next unlock is, guys. So that doesn't really give us much information. If somebody can find anything, let's see, here's release schedule, but nothing. So anyways, I can't really give you too much on that. Now, if we go to here and we type in JUP for Jupiter on CoinGecko, let's see what this pulls up here. Now, there is 10 billion tokens, much like SUI, which I just did a video on, which is at all-time highs right now. And yeah, guys, about, 13.5% of this is out. So that's not very much. Like I said, 14% has been unlocked. So yeah, anyways, Bitcoin at the moment looks like it wants to make another higher low here. I'm looking at this on the hour. Now, it does look like it wants to break higher. You can see that this candle a couple of hours ago, it really wanted to go up and just couldn't. Now, we are getting a couple of green candles here. I know this looks very small probably on your screen. If I make this a little bigger, you can see this candle kind of got a bounce here, and it kind of started, it looks like a more bullish, push here. So right now, we are about, I think, we're right around where we closed on Friday night. Let's see if that remains for the weekend. Now, I do talk about CME gaps just because I don't truly believe in CME gaps so much. They don't have to get filled. But in truth, about 95% get filled. Quick look here at the Google Trends here for Bitcoin and crypto as a search term. On Google, you can see that basically Bitcoin has gone up. If you can really see here, crypto has just ticked up a little bit. But yeah, Bitcoin is, starting to bring retail back in. And you can see this peak back here in March when we did have our mini altcoin season, and we had Bitcoin ran up as well. But yeah, I mean, it looks like retail is just starting to, Google Bitcoin a little bit more lately. So we'll see, guys. Now, if we take a quick look here at the Bitcoin monthly performance, basically November is only 8% right now. Keep in mind, we're 9 days in, and we kind of had a tame October, I can say. September was the best, green month that we had ever had, and maybe we were saving all of our power for November. Who knows, guys? We just have to wait and see. But I do believe we could see, 20, 30%, maybe even 40. But that would be a lot. But I think definitely 20, maybe 30. Now, taking a look at the Bitcoin dominance, it is falling right now. I made a video today. I think it was at 59.19 when I made BNB earlier today, and it's fallen since then, guys. So that's better for the altcoin bags that we are holding. So let's hope that continues. Now, for the economic calendar this week, basically there is, let's see if this refreshes quickly. So next week, sorry about that, it likes to refresh itself. And especially if I'm making one video and I move to the next video, it takes a long time, so it just refreshes the screen. Anyways, guys, Tuesday we have consumer inflation expectations here. We do have a couple of speakers, or a few speakers actually. Wednesday we do have CPI. We do have FOMC member Williams speaking as well. And we do have on Thursday PPI, and we do have jobless claims. And we do have, Fed Chair Powell speaking, so that could be quite important. Friday, we have a lot of, economic numbers, import, exports, core retail sales, manufacturing index, retail control and sales, industrial production, things like this, guys. So a lot of these numbers are, important just together, I would say. So it can be a big day. But mainly, it's going to be CPI, PPI, and probably Fed Chair Powell speaking. That's where you're going to see a lot of volatility. Thinking about the interest rate cuts and economic conditions and things like that in the calendar, there is about 64% that believe we're going to get a quarter-point cut. There is a sizable amount believing that we're not going to cut anything, though. So we just have to wait and see, guys. It's still 39 days out, I think. So it's a lot of speculation time. And I do believe we will get a Christmas, bonus basically when we get a cut here with 25 basis points. Now, if we talk about the altcoin season, basically it has ticked up a little bit from 37, I believe, in my video on BNB. So it's nice to see. I do believe once we break above 50, we're going to move, quite fast to 75 here. But we have to break above about 50, I would say. Now, fear and greed, basically same as yesterday, 75. So we'll see if we tick up or down tomorrow, but I think it'll be about 75 no matter what. We haven't really moved since yesterday too much. Now, if you take a quick look at the crypto bubbles, guys, it looks beautiful. There are some reds here, and I want to, just mention like CRO was up 35% yesterday. So yeah, naturally it's going to come down just a little bit, so maybe these ones in the reds had big days yesterday, but mainly everything is in the green right now. So anyways, guys, if you want to stake, you need to go here, and basically you want to go to earn if you're looking already for something. Now we're making a video on Jupiter, so Jupiter here, and yeah, actually it's kind of strange. It only has Bybit here. Maybe, Jupiter AG. So let's just try the first Jupiter then. That might be the better one. And I believe this is the one that, I am holding. Only a couple of places though. You have Gate and you have Binance. Mine is personally in Binance just because I only have Gate token in Gate.io. I think Gate is a very risky exchange. And a lot of people say that, so I don't have too much in it. I just have one token. And even if I do get 25%, I will take my chances in Binance. Anyways, guys, if you like this video about Jupiter and Bitcoin, give it a like and share this with your friends. And yeah, guys, thanks a lot for supporting the channel.